Hello everyone, I am Deepti Mishra, Assistant Professor in Modern Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Indore. Today I am going to discuss the replication of DNA. First of all, replication fact. DNA replication is processed in S synthesis phase of interphase. So DNA has to be copied before a cell divides, or basically in mitosis. So synthesis phase is S phase in which DNA has replicated during the interphase of cell cycle. So let's see the introduction. In molecular biology, DNA replication is a biological process in which two identical replicas of DNA form one original DNA molecule from one original DNA molecule. So DNA replication first was discovered by Watson and Crick. DNA replication is semi-conservative. Each strand in double helix act as a template for the synthesis of new as a complementary. So process of DNA replication is vital for the cell growth, repair and reproduction in organism. Next is model of replication. Basically three models are given by the scientist. First is a conservative model, dispersive model and last is semi-conservative model. So conservative model or some conservative replication. In this model, DNA replication result in one molecule that consists of both original DNA strand and another molecule that consists of two new strands. Dispersive replication. In dispersive model, DNA replication result in two DNA molecules that are mixture or hybrid of parental and last one is semi-conservative replication. In this model, the two strands of DNA unwind from each other and each act as a template for the synthesis of new complementary strand. This results in two DNA molecule with one original strand and one new strand. This picture shows the three models: semi-conservative replication, conservative replication and dispersive replication. So what is replication of DNA? So DNA replication is the process by which DNA makes a copy of itself during the cell division. It takes us from one starting molecule to two daughter molecules, with each newly formed double helix containing one new and one old strand. DNA found within the nucleus must be replicated in order to ensure that each new cells receive the correct number of chromosomes. This process of duplication is also called DNA replication. This is DNA replication process. Now, the basic rules of DNA replications. So, replication is always semi-conservative model, and replication begins at the sequence called origins. DNA synthesis is initiated by the short fragment of RNA called primers. The elongation of DNA strand is always in 5 to 3' direction. DNA replication can be uni or bidirectional also. Replication is continuous on a leading strand and discontinue on the lagging strand. It means leading strand is continuous and lagging strand is in fragment form. The new nucleotides strands astronomically accurate due to the process of nucleotide selection, proofreading and repair mechanism. Then the process of DNA replication. Basically four steps are involved. First is the replication fork formation or the origin of replication. So before DNA can be replicated, the double strand molecule must be unzipped and unwind into two single strands. DNA has four bases called the adenine, thymine, cytosine and guanine that form pair between the two strands. In order to unwind DNA, these interactions between the base pair must be broken. This is performed by the enzyme called DNA helicase, and DNA helicase separate the strand into wire shape known as a replication fork or origin point. This picture shows the different enzymes which is involved in the replication. First is DNA helicase, which form the Y-shaped replication fork. Then primase and single-stranded DNA binding protein, leading strand and lagging strand. Then step 2 is a primer binding. Then after the replication fork, the leading strand is the simplest to replicate. Once the DNA strand have been separated, a short piece of RNA primer bind to the three ends of the strand. The primer is always bind at the starting point for replication. So primer are generated by the enzyme that is DNA primase. DNA polymerase 3' can only nucleotide to existing strand of DNA. Known as a DNA polymerase is responsible creating a new strand by the process called elongation. So, in eukaryotic cells, polymerase alpha, delta, and ellipson are primary polymerases involved in DNA replications. The lagging strand begin replication by binding with the multiple primer. Each primer is only a several bases apart. DNA polymerase then add piece of DNA called Okazaki fragment to the strand between primers. The process of replication is discontinuous as newly created fragments are disjointed. Involve the addition of new nucleotide based on the complementarity of the templated strand. And daughter strand is elongated with the binding of more DNA nucleotides. So what about leading and lagging strands? Leading strand is continuous strand and lagging strand is discontinuous strand. And lagging strand is also called the Okazaki fragment. Last step is termination. So once both the continuous and discontinuous strand are formed, an enzyme called exonuclease remove all the RNA primers and from the original strand, and these primers are then replaced with the appropriate bases. Another enzyme called DNA ligase join the Okazaki fragment together, forming a single unified strand. The end of the linear DNA present a problem as a DNA polymerase can only add nucleotides in 5 to 3 direction. So basically in termination process, enzyme that is DNA ligase join the Okazaki fragment to process. Total enzyme which is involved in the DNA replication. First is DNA helicase, DNA primase. DNA helicase unwind and separate the both strands. DNA primase, a type of RNA polymerase that generate the RNA primers. DNA polymerases synthesize a new DNA molecule by adding a nucleotide to leading and lagging strand. DNA gyrase unwind and rewind the DNA strand to prevent the DNA from becoming tangled and supercoiled. DNA ligase join the DNA fragment together with forming a phosphodiester bond. Single strand binding protein keep the DNA single strand after it has been melted by helicase. RNA primer composed of multiple bases that attach to the template strand to initiate the replication, and telomerase finishes off end of the DNA strand. This is all about DNA replication. Thank you.